NTSB is expected to say in its final report tomorrow on the 35W bridge collapse.
But the official account will be far from the last word. Now come the lawsuits, and here's Tom Lydon.
Well, the National Transportation Board's final report tomorrow won't be the end, more likely the beginning of the end. Tomorrow, the lawsuits begin, and a legal process that could take years. The 35W bridge may have had some fatal flaws, yes, but attorneys for the victims argue that bureaucracy and neglect, human errors, were also a major factor.
These photographs were taken in June of 2003.
The exhibits are already in place in attorney Jim Schwebel's office. Tomorrow he files the first lawsuits on behalf of 4 of the victims of the 35W bridge collapse. The same day, the NTSB releases its findings.
What I expect is that there'll be a lot of agreement on the factual findings.
Fact: under-designed gusset plates, only a ½ inch thick instead of an inch. Fact: 270 tons of additional weight on the bridge from a repaving project. The NTSB is expected to say the thin gusset plates doomed the bridge from the start. The added weight, the final straw. Schwebel says, not so fast.
The fact is that steel bridges do not fail without lots of warnings and lots of signals. They talk to you before they collapse.
And he says this bridge was talking loud and clear. Tomorrow's lawsuit will blame URS, MnDOT's engineering consultant, for not looking closer at the corroding and bending gusset plates, which had whittled down to a quarter of an inch. A URS memo before the collapse, uncovered by the Fox 9 investigators, said gusset plate buckling. If this occurs, it is not catastrophic.
Would be akin to letting somebody drive a truck at 80 miles an hour on bald tires. It might not fail this day or this week, but it is an accident that is just getting ready to happen.
The lawsuit will also blame PCI Construction, which was repaving the bridge at the time of the collapse.
It shows that huge pieces of bridge decking were removed. Now, the importance of this is that bridge decking does not just add weight to a bridge, but it adds stability to a bridge.
Schwebel says the NTSB is being political and doesn't want to make the bridge symbolic of the nation's decaying infrastructure, blaming instead design and circumstance rather than maintenance and inspection.
So you truly had the blind leading the blind.
MnDOT's not named in the lawsuits to be filed tomorrow. Minnesota law limits MnDOT's liability to $400,000. The state has established a $37 million victim compensation fund. Most agree that won't be nearly enough. Schwebel believes eventually the state will try to recoup some of its money and actually join them in their lawsuit against URS. And all the cases will come together in one super mega trial. An attorney for URS had no comment tonight. Tom Lydon, Fox 9 News.